Hey there, Teak Deckers, it's Eric and Rocky again, and welcome back to our Teakdecking Systems YouTube channel. Well, the hot dog days of summer are here, and we know everyone is out there enjoying your boats and your teak decks, but let's not forget the importance of cleaning those decks. Yeah, I know, it may not be your favorite thing to do, but it is the single most important thing you could do to keep enjoying those decks for years to come. Today we'll be sharing the correct cleaners and techniques that we the professionals have developed after years of being the leaders in the teak decking industry. Rocky, can you tell us a little bit about our cleaners?
Well, Eric, both of our cleaners are non-hazardous and environmentally safe. Also, they are both MARPOL and Safe Marina compliant. They contain no harsh acids or phosphates, which have been known to eat away at your deck. They also are non-toxic to the user, keeping them safe to use. Both the Eco 100 and 300 have been specially formulated and represent the most advanced teak cleaners in the marine industry.
Alright, so what's the difference between the two?
Well, the Eco 100 comes in a powder form and will give you a deeper clean because the granules give you some grit to work with. The Eco 300 is a liquid and has an added brightener which helps maintain the golden hue of your teak. For best results, we suggest alternating the powder and liquid for your scheduled cycle cleanings.
Well, we think the best way to show how to apply our cleaners is to show it in action. So let's head out to a marina and see a real-world application of these products. Alright, we're here on the beautiful Anna Maria Island where we'll be cleaning the cockpit of this Viking sport fish. We will start with the Eco 100 powder and a red scrub pad. When it comes to the powder, there are two ways to apply. You can either wet the deck and sprinkle the powder on, or you can mix up a solution using 4 ounces of powder to 1 gallon of water. If using this method, be careful not to mix up too much material at one time, as it will lose its effectiveness if not used within about 20 minutes. Start by wetting the deck. Next, sprinkle the powder over the area. Pay close attention to see that Rocky is scrubbing against the grain. This is to ensure that the teak's soft fibers are not damaged. Well, I think it's time to give Rocky some help, so I'm gonna jump on in, but just remember, once the area is sprinkled with the powder and you have it scrubbed once, you're gonna wanna let it sit for 10 minutes to let the powder take its effectiveness. Make sure that you don't let the area dry up if you're working in direct sunlight. Now we're going to apply the teak cleaning liquid. It's going to be used at full strength, so you just dip it in and again scrub against the grain. As you can see, the liquid suds up much more than the powder, and it has that added brightener that's going to bring that rich amber color back to the teak. Although this deck is pretty good shape, it's still going to see a difference. Once you let it sit for 10 minutes, you're going to want to scrub well again and then rinse thoroughly.
Although this was a relatively clean deck to begin with, you can see the difference a little cleaning can make. Cleaning helps to keep your teak deck in tip-top shape. We hope you've enjoyed our trip to Anna Maria Island and learned how you can properly take care of your teak deck with Teakdecking Systems Teak Cleaner in both powder and liquid form. We hope you have a better understanding of the difference and the usage between the two products. A special thanks to our friends at Galati Yacht Sales for allowing us to come out today. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you can be notified when we upload a new video.